In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Google contacts into Mailchimp, which is a fantastic way to enhance your email marketing strategy. So whether you're new to email marketing or just looking to streamline your process, you'll find this guide useful and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and simplify your workflow. First, we need to export your contacts from Google. To do this, navigate over to Google Contacts. Once there, take a moment to decide whether you want to export all your contacts or just a particular group. If you want to keep things broad, go ahead and select all. If you have a specific group of contacts in mind, you can select those individually. On the left side menu, you'll find an option labeled Export. Click on that and you'll be presented with different format options. For this process, we'll need to choose Google CSV since it's compatible with Mailchimp. Once you've made your selection, simply click Export. Your contacts will download as a file to your device. Keep track of where this file saves, it'll come in handy very soon. Now let's move on to importing these contacts into Mailchimp. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't yet set up an account, Mailchimp offers a free basic plan which you can quickly get started with. Once logged in, head over to the audience section and select all contacts. This is where you'll manage your important lists and contacts. Next, click on settings. In the drop down menu, choose manage audience and from there select import contacts. Here's where your CSV file from Google comes into play. Choose upload a file and click continue. Locate the CSV file you previously exported from Google Contacts and select it. As Mailchimp processes your file, you'll need to map your contact fields such as names, email addresses, or phone numbers. This ensures that Mailchimp accurately imports and organizes your data. Make sure each field is correctly matched before you move forward. After ensuring everything is lined up, go ahead and click Finalize Import. Mailchimp will take it from here, seamlessly integrating your Google contacts into your chosen audience list. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Google contacts into Mailchimp, making it easier than ever to engage with your audience through email marketing. Thank you for joining me today. With your contacts now synchronized, you're better equipped to communicate more effectively with your subscribers, which can lead to better engagement and improved campaign results. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more insightful tips. See you in the next video.